You already know we are the iCloud removal kings and the iCloud and the Apple kings out here. No need to brag or anything. As you can see, we have tons and tons of work to do and tons of devices to work on between Androids and iPhones, old school devices like SEs and 5Ss and 5Cs. Right. But in this video, we're presenting the iPhone X, cracked up and everything. This is actually one of the devices that we actually purchased. We ordered this device actually off of eBay. The taxes and shipping, buying the phone, taxes and shipping and everything, we spent about 110, like 110, 112. It just came in the other day, which this device is actually showed up replaced. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed to see if Apple will still allow us to unlink the iCloud. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.